Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I just made a video on how to copy outline, color, thickness, and fill, but it will also work for text. So if you worked on a text, and we're going to click on this text, and this text is 236.59. It's real big because for the video, but instead of having to go and copy that and make this text the same, this is Arial. This is Arial Black. This is just Arial. So if you had a whole sheet of text and you go, well, I want to change it to that, click on the item that you want to change it to, holding down the alternate and the EM key, and this time leave all these and then check the text properties. You'll get that same arrow and then click on the one you want to copy, and it copies it, and now we're at 236.59. It's exactly the same size, the same color gray, same outline thickness, which is 3,000 points. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.